Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got this super cool little French pocket rocket on the channel today. So this is a 1.6 turbo. It's been remapped to about 230 bhp, load of cool mods on it. I'm going to introduce you to the owner, then we're going to go out for a drive in it and see what it can do on draggy time. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video. So this is the owner, Kian. Thanks for coming on the channel, man. I appreciate it. So Peugeot then, what made you go for one of these?
So there was a dealership out in Henderson and I was looking on TradeMe for a first car, and I just was browsing sort of turbo manuals, and a photo of the seats popped up. Well, I don't think it was the first one, but just a little blue hatch, and then you scroll through and it was a photo of the seats, and I was like, wow, those are like awesome.
The seats do really make
They look sick as hell. So I was like, Mum, can we please go? And then we looked at it. I did some background research on it, looked at it, liked it, bought it and drove it home. I was still 15 at the time.
Yeah,
actually.
15.
So I didn't actually have my license. It was a week until I got my license. So I remember on the day after, I was like, Mum, can we go out for a boost? And then she would drive it, and then I'd sneakily jump in and...
Yeah, because this is your second one of these,
This
right?
is the second one, yeah. So the first one's a blue one. That one's slightly tuned. Well, not tuned engine-wise, just a couple mods, but this one's, yeah, the whole sort of shebang.
Yeah, because this one's got a few shiny bits under the engine bay, hasn't it? Do you want to talk me through some of the engine mods you've done?
Yeah, so Forged Motorsport quarter intake. I do have a GFB DV Plus diverter valve, but I haven't put that on. It's just running the stock one at the moment. We got the Forged Motorsport alloy boost pipes, MTC Motorsport silicon just turbo hoses. We have got MTC Motorsport catalyst downpipe, muffler deletes, and then it's sitting on H&R 35mm lowering springs.
Yeah, so good chunk of stuff that's done to it. And I did mention in the intro, so it's been remapped as well.
Yes.
So it should be running between 220 and 230,
yeah,
right?
so tuned by Eurosurgeon. Yeah, around 220, 230, that's what I was told. So it hasn't been dynoed, I don't know, but it feels around there.
Well, yeah, I bet you can feel it. It's a lot of power for a little 1.6, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty light too, only about 1200 kilo. So yeah, it gets going well.
Is it a 5-speed or 6-speed?
It's 5, unfortunately. So it's not too bad just for motorway cruising. I kind of wish I had a 6-speed.
Yeah.
Get the revs down. It's not terrible though. It's good for around the street. It's a great daily sort of fun car. That's what I...
No, and I do like the way they look as well, like the big front ends and
they're
stuff.
different.
Like...
They're very French and very Peugeot.
Yeah.
Definitely a massive grille, which is unique, but yeah, you never see them around, which is cool. So
yeah.
Something different.
No, I'm glad I'm going to be able to go out and experience it today, because I haven't really got much experience with French cars and stuff, so it's definitely going to be different to what I'm used to. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. What'd you say, we go out for a drive then and see what it can do?
Yeah, sounds good.
Sweet, we'll do that. Sport mode's AC off. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, Jesus! I saw we had good tyres on, so I've got a bit of faith.
Yeah, R003 is chilling.
Oh, this is a good road. Oh, the noise of that turbo is so cool. Oh, you're a better driver than me. Fucking hell. Bro, what?
This is 130. Oh, Jesus.
These things handle really well, don't they?
Yeah, it's got real light steering, but yeah, they handle pretty good.
Oh my god, brakes pretty good.
Yeah,
They're just all standard.
Yeah, stock Peugeot brakes are mental. I don't know why. I don't know what they're doing, unless they're just a non-branded like Peugeot or something. But they're actually really surprisingly good.
Oh my god. It moves a lot faster than I was expecting. Jeez, man.
You know, these sorts of Peugeot would be ended up like this. Not the new ones, at least.
Yeah.
205 GTI was obviously
Yeah.
one of the best hot hatches. But yeah, everyone says they kind of lost it after that. But I don't know.
I don't know, not from where I'm sitting right
It's
now.
good. It's you know, and for the price, like, fuck you, Mark 5 GTI.
Gonna get the comment section going crazy with that one.
I don't care. This slow and boring. If you want a like driver's car, that's not gonna cost you an arm and a leg. Oh no!
Oh,
Just pulled out.
oh, we had a pretty good run though.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, Jesus Christ. It's a lot quicker than I was expecting down the back roads.
Yeah, it goes good.
Everyone says, oh, pocket rocket and all this stuff. But like, Jesus, man.
It's a back road little weapon.
Jeez. He was gripping up good.
Yeah, it holds as well,
Yeah.
especially with the RW3s.
The turbo noise is so unique on it.
Yeah, it's real loud. Like just for an intake, it's
Yeah, just for an
no blow off
intake.
valve, stock diverter valve. Yeah, it's kind
Yeah. Alright guys, so we got the draggy set up. We're gonna try do a 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 because we're here. It's supposed to do 7.5 stock, so we'll see what it gets. One sec, I'll just reset it. Okay, we're ready when you are, bro.
Oh, the heat soak.
Oh man, it did.
I thought that was a cock.
It did heat soak quite a bit. Alright, so it's supposed to do 7.5 from factory, right?
I don't reckon
We did
that.
spin.
Yeah.
You got an 8.01.
Oh.
8.01. So it can do better.
Okay.
It's just managing the spin, isn't it? With these
spin,
front wheel drive manuals.
And I want to let it cool down a bit.
Yeah, definitely. To be fair, that wasn't pretty ideal because we did sit for like 5 minutes before, didn't we?
It was a bit loud.
Sounded good though.
It did sound good.
Okay guys, second attempt. 8 seconds last time. I reckon we can definitely beat that. It's just the start, isn't it, that's a bit difficult. So, I'm ready whenever you are, man.
Oh, he's falling. Oh, I'm nervous.
Better start.
Come on, Gil.
Come on. Done. 7.1.
Oh, okay.
So a lot better.
Alright,
The start was better. Also, like, you know, you changed like into third. Just
as
before
I
we
got 100,
hit
yeah, I was
60.
looking at it and I
So
was
there's
like,
a little bit of time as well.
I don't think it's going to be, maybe I could rev it out in second.
But yeah,
All the way.
7.1, so that's a lot better.
Okay.
So it's faster than the quoted, because quoted was 7.5. And it is tuned, so that's expected.
Yeah.
Definitely a better launch, definitely. So yeah, 7.1.
Alright, that's not bad. Considering, all things considered, it still
It is a really
only,
hot day as well.
It's hot, but it's
Yeah.
also only just like 230 horsepower.
Yeah.
That's
So
crank
7.1.
as well. Like,
Yeah.
wheel horsepower, like 170 probably.
Third attempt.
that's
7 dead. That's pretty much all it's got in it, right? Like 7 dead. That's really impressive. I'd be really happy with 7 dead. Best time we managed to achieve on the third attempt was a 7 flat. I'm pretty happy with that, aren't you?
It's pretty solid.
Puts you in 3rd place on the leaderboard of 3 at the minute. So.
We won't be 3rd for long, no doubt, but I'm sure there'll be slower cars. So.
Yeah, there must be slower cars. So. But yeah,
hey, 230 horsepower, like 320 newton meters. I'm only 0.6 seconds behind the ashtray.
Yeah.
And he's got 50 horsepower on me and 80 newton meters.
No, I'm impressed with 7. Yeah, definitely.
And it's open diff.
Yeah, and open diff. To be fair, yeah, he's got LSD as well. So. Oh, fuck! You're gonna I'm gonna have to put that seat forward.
Should crash it or explode it.
Oh man, the bike point is high.
Yeah, you get used to it for sure, but yeah.
Fun car to drive. Is that fuel again? Are we gonna run out? Feels really nimble.
It does.
You know what though? The steering does not feel as light as I remember.
Really?
Nah, nowhere near. I remember it being like there was nothing.
Yeah.
Like you'd put one finger on it and you could just fucking do this. Like that's what I remember it as. So the steering's not as light as I remember, but still lighter than most.
It's light.
Yeah.
For
Still
sure.
lighter than most.
But that's why I like this so much as a daily. And like it's just no
yeah, it would
hassles.
make quite a good daily.
Just don't have to worry about it.
All the light controls do make it quite a good daily. Gearbox feels quite nice. Did it have a short shifter?
It's not, that's stock. So it's not the longest throw.
Yeah.
But it's not the shortest. But yeah.
I'd say the Astra was longer than I thought.
Yeah, I know, I was gonna say the Astra's kind of massive.
Yeah.
It's so bad.
Oh, the little...
Sounds cool, man. It's sick.
Yeah, it is sick too.
Because nobody, like, on the road
you don't expect it from a Peugeot.
Everyone's
because
like,
to be honest, like, to the untrained eye, you wouldn't really tell this is the GTI, would you?
Nah,
it's got a bit of a different body.
It's annoying. It's a real shame. I wish it had... That was third. I wish it had more like GTI badges and stuff.
Yeah. Every time, man. I'll be doing that all the time if this is my car, right? I need that for the
focus. That's why it
focus.
drains fuel so much.
Yeah. Oh my god, we're literally...
I know.
Ow. Oh my god.
Just fucking got it, boys.
Yeah. Thanks for letting me drive it, man. No, I appreciate it. I know it's not an easy thing to do. Let this little midget go out and drive it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot, man, for coming on the channel.
Okay,
appreciate it, bro. It's been a good, impressive car. I wasn't actually expecting it to be as quick as it was, especially down the back roads and stuff. So, and we got that good 0 to 60 time in the end. So,
it's pretty solid.
No, it's been good. If you guys want to take your car on the channel as well, just get in touch via my Instagram. That's in the link in the description. The car's for sale as well, so if you want to buy it, then
hit me up on Instagram. Is that Cindy?
Yeah. And make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.